Hello, today we're going to change the brake caliper. So, we're on the jack, we've got the axle stand, we've got the wheels chucked. First we'll clamp the brake pipe and then we'll just release the hose. So it's 14mm, I'm using a claw, it's a claw, so it just goes over the brake pipe. You could use an open-end spanner, but I'm just using a claw. Put your socket in there, and I've got a converter to make it a normal 1/2 inch. And just, there you go. Nice and easy. So it's released. You can see the fluid just, you may be able to see any fluid come out, I don't know. Right, so that's it released. It's easier to release it when the caliper is still on, because it's hard to do it to take the caliper off if it's gone tight. Okay, so it is a 14mm for your 2 slide bolts, one here and one here. So we'll just undo them and take them out. You've got 2 different bolts. As you can see, the top one is like that, and the bottom one has a rubber bung on the end. Don't know if you can see that. There you are. I'll clean it off. There you are. See, so don't mix them up. That one goes in the bottom. So we'll put them like that, so you know which way to go back in. So the caliper's off now. I'm gonna unscrew this now, the hose, and put the new caliper on, because this one's binding on. It's not releasing. Put a new caliper on. Okay, that's the new caliper screwed in now. We'll put this back on. Put a bit grease, a bit copper slip on the pads, and put it back together and see if this one's sticking. These pads have a locating pin in there, so you've got to push them that way to get them to come out with a screwdriver. See that sticking out, it's probably, they don't just slide, we've got to pull them that way. Okay. Right, that's on. Don't forget, that's the bottom one. I'll put a bit of copper slip on these before I put them in. I've got new discs I need to change. I don't do that today. I just want to try the caliper and make sure it's alright first. I've got new discs to change, pads, and the drum brakes inside, but we'll do that later. That'll be the next video. Okay. Okay, so it's all back on. The 2 slide bolts are on. 15mm, you can see it's sliding nicely. 14 for the brake pipe. Now we've got to bleed it. So we've got to take the rubber bung off. I'm using this pump. You put that on there. You see that there, it says to the pump. And you pump this up, and this will draw the brake fluid through. You have to release that, obviously, which I think is 8mm, but I'm not sure, 6, I'm not sure, I'll find out. So it isn't 8mm. You just release that, you pump this up, and you can see it drawing the fluid with the air bubbles in, like so. And you've got to keep doing that to get rid of the air bubbles, then tighten it back up. Okay, so you've bled it, you put your rubber bone back on the end to protect your bleeding nipple. Check your reservoir for the brakes. That's here. I had it slightly loose to let the air in as I bled it. You just make sure you got that on properly and tighten it up. Clips in. Use new brake fluid, don't use old brake fluid because it takes air in. So always put new stuff in to top up. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time when I do the brakes.